Walking after 60 isn't enough. One simple move builds strength, balance, and confidence: the single leg stand. New research says walking won't protect your balance. Try the single leg stand. It trains your core, hips, and brain. Aging strong starts with one movement: the single leg stand. Simple, powerful, life-changing. Walking helps, but the single leg stand trains the system that keeps you from falling. Try it today. Improve balance fast. Stand tall, lift one foot, and hold. The single leg stand protects your hips and brain. This one movement after 6 cuts fall risk by more than half. The single leg stand. Start now. Stronger hips, better balance, sharper mind, just from standing on one leg. Try it and see your results. If you're over 60, walking helps, but it doesn't train your balance system. One simple move can. Just lifting one foot activates the muscles walking ignores and sharpens the brain centers for balance. Start simple. Hold for 10 seconds beside a counter. Build up to 1 minute as your balance improves. Do it while brushing your teeth. 2 minutes a day trains strength, stability, and confidence. Try it right now. Lift one foot, stand tall, and see how long you can hold. Your future self will thank you. Want to age strong and confident? There's one exercise almost no one talks about, but research keeps pointing to it. It's the single leg stand. One simple movement that trains balance, posture, and long-term independence. Balancing on one leg fires your deep muscles, strengthens your hips, and cuts your fall risk dramatically. People who hold 15 seconds or more tend to stay mobile longer and live stronger, healthier lives. Weeks 3 and 4, try 20 to 30 seconds with your hands just hovering for support. By weeks 5 and 6, aim for 30 to 45 seconds with no support at all. Your balance will soar. Walking won't fix hip weakness, but one simple movement will. The single leg stand trains the exact muscles that prevent falls and keep your posture tall and steady. Lift one foot and hold. Start small, stay steady, and build up as your balance improves. You'll feel your hips, your core, and even your brain working together to keep you stable. Try it today. Stand tall, lift one foot, and see how long you can hold. Your strength starts here. A stronger, steadier life after 60 doesn't start with hard workouts. It starts with one tiny movement. The single leg stand activates your entire stabilizing system: hips, core, ankles, spine, even your brain. This simple exercise cuts fall risk, sharpens balance, improves posture, and keeps you independent longer. Start by holding 10 to 20 seconds per leg. With practice, aim for 1 full minute. Do it while brushing your teeth. 2 minutes a day builds confidence, strength, and stability. Try it right now. Lift one foot, stand tall, and see how long you can balance. Small habit, big results. Comment your age and balance time.